I'm a fan of an unnecessary car, and you don't really get much more unnecessary than this. Probably the most unnecessary car that there is, apart from maybe a G63. Really unnecessary. I always thought it was brilliant that Land Rover decided to put a 5-litre supercharged V8 in a Range Rover Sport. I always thought it was quite funny. And then the guys over at Urban have gone to work on this to make it sort of even more unnecessary, which is very, very cool. So I've been using this, so it is a little bit dirty. As you can probably see, winter has arrived. So it's not the cleanest car in the world, but I think it looks quite cool, the fact that it is sort of wintered up. So all the exterior carbon fibre on this car from the guys over at Urban is all proper carbon fibre. It's not dipped, it's not painted, it's proper stuff, all made in the UK, which is obviously quite cool. So carbon fibre bonnet and vent, and a nice big Urban badge on the front, and then all this carbon fibre detail in here, which looks awesome. Personally, I always prefer cars in black, but you would miss all the carbon fibre detailing, so this car in blue looks awesome. It has very understated 23-inch wheels with the red calipers underneath. Looks awesome. As you can probably see, it's got a side step. So now I'm trying to not break my neck because it is pretty slippy, but if I fall over, you'll see it on the bloopers. People have probably been made up with that. Over to the rear, it's running. You can probably hear idling away. It sounds like a canal boat, which is awesome. Again, Urban badges on the back. It's got the panoramic glass roof. This thing, all its lights are tinted. I mean, what more do you need to say? It's a very imposing, very good looking four-wheel drive. Now, onto the inside, carbon fibre everywhere, carbon fibre dashboard. This is obviously the updated interior. It's 70 plate. It's done about 8,500 miles. It's got the upgraded Meridian stereo, which sounds brilliant. But yeah, carbon fibre everywhere. These racing seats look brilliant, and it's just these little details the guys over at Urban do. Love all this stuff. So yeah, in sum up, very loud, very fast, unnecessary, massive car, which is a right laugh to drive. And in these conditions, supercars go away. Supercar four-wheel drive, if that's a thing, sort of super 4x4. Yeah, it's cool.